If you've ever wished your automations could repeat tasks on their own instead of stopping after one run, learning how to build a loop in Zapier is going to change the game for you. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so your workflows can repeat actions automatically and save you serious time. Start by heading to Zapier's website and log into your account. If you normally use Google to sign in, go ahead and use that option. It's quicker and keeps everything synced. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Click the Create button, then choose Zaps. This opens up the workspace where you'll build your automation. The first thing you need is a trigger. This tells Zapier when to start the process. Click on Trigger, and in the search bar, type Airtable if that's your starting app. Select it, then choose New Record as the event. That means anytime a new record is added in Airtable, the Zap will fire automatically. Zapier will ask you to connect your Airtable account. Click Sign In, follow the prompt, and once it connects, use the test button to make sure everything's working properly. Now comes the looping magic. In the Action section, search for looping, then select it. You'll be asked to choose an event. Pick Create Loop from Numbers. This essentially tells Zapier to repeat an action a set number of times, or work through a list of items one at a time. When you're done selecting the event, hit Test to confirm the loop is set up correctly. From here, you can add another step, so the loop actually does something useful. Click the plus button to add a new action, and search for Slack. This is a great example for sending alerts during each loop run. Pick an event like Send Direct Message, so notifications go straight to you or a team member. You'll connect your Slack account through Zapier just like before. Sign in, select the right workspace, and run a test to make sure the connection works. Testing each step as you build prevents errors later and gives you confidence that everything's wired correctly. Once all your steps look good, the trigger, the loop, and the follow-up action, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. Your automated loop is now live and running on its own whenever the trigger conditions are met. You've just built a looping workflow in Zapier, which means your automations can now handle repetitive tasks without manual intervention. If this helped you streamline your setup, stick around for more tutorials just like this, and start experimenting with loops in your other Zaps to see how much time you can save. Thanks for watching.